we we are Ghanaians. But this necessary of this Ghanaian, we do voters with vote ID card. But this Akufo-Addo has tormented this country of us. It's not fair. So we have to let the Ghanaians to be vivid and concluded to do everything accordingly. But if Ghana card can vote to this Ghana movie of us, it's not fair. It's Ghana card is invalid, but vote ID card must be included. To be heard, knew that from TTT, Wanyang Panduri, from TTT, Lafmaguji, Yamigo no, the set on play vote ID card. This arrogance must not come at tautological our voice of mind. We let us not voters because vote ID card is truly you must go vote for vote ID card, not Ghana card.
But you have your Ghana card.
I don't have it because since almost 6 months now I have not got it. It's going headed to 1 month, 1 year. So,
3 years or 1 year or 2
3 years now. Seems last, so they have to give me my Ghana card.
Well,
otherwise,
did you check it? Did you go there?
I went there. If I go over Yenava, 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 my voice is run down. That let them to know that me, I, Pastor Emmanuel Kofi, Agosika, Amina, be a good Ghana card before Monday. I have to acquire my Ghana card. But vote ID card, you have to vote. Voted to the electoral commission. My foolish Ghanaians cannot he spoke. My foolish Ghanaians. One district, one fat, one cookie, one doll, one picture, one adult, one Bamala, one Toto, one Bamala, one Bahala Maudi, Tomama, Found one and Nikabana, Pon, Navan Riders, me do, because near from with the youth we are suffering. So this Akufo-Addo, especially yourself from that place, because a word to the white is enough, or a friendly face of an appealing goat cannot prevent the ownership from going to the farm. Or neither a rolling stone gathers no more. Let my Ghana card must enter my hand.
But Akufo-Addo didn't do any mistake.
He has done a mistake, big one.
What mistake?
He's a fool because
no. He's your president.
He's my president. But actually, he's not doing the good thing at the right way at the right time. Because this guy is obstinate. I got to be president of us. We don't know. We regretted him. He's a fool. He's a governor.
No, I beg you. He's your president.
He's my president, but I can acquire too. He's my father too. But he must know how to let.
But he's not the one. He's not the one writing the Ghana card.
He's not the one, but the people, the MPs, the MPs.
He's not the MPs.
Who are this? Who are chopping Ghana money? But they are eating it down. Well, they are noising the country. They are misconduct the noising because no maga wenemi. Havana definitely. Tamia moromi do school near the university, but we are not getting work. You are pulling truck. You are doing this.
No. You say your Ghana card.
My Ghana card is very initiated to me. You might be acquired it and I'll get my
You have to
Ghana
walk there. Everybody go there.
I went there. They say Obameka got 50 Ghana cedis before we will take our Ghana card. But I'm not going to take a penny, a Gareka, 10%. I don't go pay them hell. I don't go penny. I don't go because you are the one who backed me before I register and do everything. Because if you might,
Oh, they think you are not a Ghanaian. Are you a Ghanaian?
I'm a Ghanaian, really. My name is Pastor Emmanuel Kofi Tete Agosika Amina Baby Gusa Garaga. Amina Gusa Garaga. I told the Doma of them. Nyonya Fiauti Fiora Fiauti, Tagulnova, Anya, Maba, we are Ghanaians. That you have to compromise yourself. That let my Ghana card must approach me so much. Yours sincerely, Emmanuel Kofi Tete. Salam.